Many people went to Davao, including the old politicians, pleading to me to run, and I said, I do not have the money and the time to do it because I am old. Sige sila tulak. And these were the guys, magsabi, Rod, you just run because, we are in a shithole. Grabe na ang corruption. Every administration yan. You want change because you want to change this president. You want to change the whole system. Only to find out, pati ako ngayon, the mess that we are in. Even in the matters of law and order. Hindi ko nakuha ang dimension when I was mayor, yung corruption mismo itong sa drug problem.